Hey you guys, it's Macy here. I have got a basket full of new ribbon. So this is part out of our new arrivals that have just come in within the past couple weeks. So I've just pulled some of my favorites and some that I thought were really cute, and I just thought I would show you guys today a couple rolls of them. Okay, so we're gonna start out with the 4-inch first. So on the 4-inch, I have this gray metallic. This is 4-inch by 10 yards. So let's just go ahead and open that real quick. This is beautiful. It's almost like a, it's got a textured feel on the front, and then the back is the silver metallic. This is beautiful. I love this. This is one of my favorites that has come in recently. Okay, then I grabbed the 4-inch apple ribbon. I think this is so fun, and it has 10 yards on the roll as well. I love the true red color on this, and then the green leaves on it. So beautiful. And this is also so fun to put on a wreath, on your front door. I know some people love apples, and it's really fun for teachers as well. This would be so cute on a classroom door. Okay, I think that's the only 4-inch that I grabbed, surprisingly. Let's go ahead and start with this gray. I pulled this gray too. I don't know why I have been loving gray recently, but I have. So it's a 2.5 inch. It's got 10 yards on the roll as well. It's got a really pretty edging on it. I'm not really sure what you would call that, but it is a DuPont in the middle, and then it's got that fun, elegant edging on it. Okay, so I'm going to show you these two. It's some new deluxe ribbon. I'll show you on the top right here. It says the deluxe on it. So I'm going to show you those two. I believe, I'm not sure what this flower is called. I think it's a lily. I could be wrong. I wish it told me on here, but it does not. So if I'm wrong, I'm sorry. But this has the most beautiful yellow and orange colors in it. This reminds me of my great-grandmother. She always had the prettiest flowers outside of her house, and I love the colors on this. It's very vibrant, very fun, and great for summertime. And then it's got the orange backing on it. So it feels very good, as you can tell as I'm running my fingers across it. Okay, and then our other deluxe ribbon is this hydrangea ribbon. We have sold a lot of this online and in store. People have been loving this in store as well. So it's got your purples, your pinks, and blues, a very pretty mix. Oh, and on the deluxe ribbons, it is 10 yards on each roll. So then on the back, you've got that pink, that soft pink color, and it is more of a shinier pink. So very beautiful. I love this. Very elegant look. Okay. And then I pulled this blue. This would be great for baby boy showers, or if you just love blue. I've recently started loving blue a lot more than I used to. So it's got blue and white striped back, and then it's got the rickrack in the middle. So cute, and it has 10 yards on it as well. Beautiful for Easter. Lots of blue. I've been seeing a lot of blue in Easter recently, so that'd be beautiful for that. Also on the blue kick, I love the ribbons like this that have the lace edging. We have recently gotten a lot more products in that has the lace edging on it. So this is got your blue, your darker blue, and your light blue roses in the middle, and then it's got that dark blue lacing on the edge. Beautiful. I'm obsessed with that. I love the lace detailing on the ribbon. Okay, while we're on the lace, I think I grabbed another one before we left. Yes, I did. This was one of the ones I grabbed as we were going out. So this is a lace ribbon as well. Orange is so pretty. I have been loving orange too. I don't know, I guess as I've gotten older, color has just grew to my color palette. But I love this orange. We've got some daisies, some bumblebees, and a little bit of polka dots on there. They're real tiny though. Very pretty. Love the orange, and of course you've got that lace detail on that as well. So pretty. Definitely dresses the bumblebee look up a little bit. Okay, so staying with the 2.5 inch, I pulled this floral ribbon. It's kind of got your softer tones on it, not as vibrant, but I love the soft tone look. It's got all the colors in it, and it's just got all your different florals, some greenery. Very, very beautiful if you like more of a softer touch when it comes to spring and Easter and summer. Love that. And it's got like a soft pinky purple background on it. Sorry, I'm trying to keep the clear wrap with the ones that I unroll. Okay, so we're going into a little bit more fun. I love this little bunny rabbit. He is just too cute on this ribbon. I love his little chunkiness. So here's that bunny, and then it's got some little carrots throughout, and then those are little flowers that you see that are pink. So it's got the fun bunny, there's one that has pink, and then one that has orange on him. I love that. I've been pulling a lot of this recently, so that is new. One of our new Easter ribbons. And then I pulled this strawberry ribbon. My aunt used to do her whole house, or her whole kitchen in strawberries, and it was so cute. And I've been seeing a lot of strawberries come back to life in the kitchen. So this gives me very, very nostalgic vibes. But it's got that pretty green backing, and then it's got the bright red strawberries with the yellow seeds. Very, very classic when it comes to the strawberry, but I love that. Very fun, very fun. Kind of like the apples. Okay, that would even be cute for Valentine's Day since chocolate strawberries are a thing. Let's see, we got some more rickrack here. Got the blue and the pink together. This 1.5 inch is a lot harder to open than the 2.5 or the 4. Okay, so we got the turquoisey blue back, and then you got the hot pink rickrack in the middle with the pink edging. So fun. I love the rickrack look. I think it's very fun, but it could also be classy at the same time. Okay, so then I pulled some cherry blossoms. We've just got some cherry blossoms in at the store, and they are this pink color, and they are beautiful. We had some blue cherry blossoms, and we just sold out of them the other day. The lady came in and bought them at the store. But, so we got this blue backing, and then the pink cherry blossoms on it. And all of these that I'm showing you now are the 1.5 inch style. So, so pretty. Okay, and then we're going back to more basics. I grabbed so much blue, I didn't even realize it until now. I'm gonna pull this one out. We sold a lot of this for Valentine's Day, and then I think it will carry over to patriotic. Very classic, very pretty. And if we still have it, it will sell at Christmas, I can promise you that. But I don't think we'll have it by then. So it's just a red and white plaid. It's got the glitter detailing on it, very, very pretty, and then it's got the red glitter edging on it. You can't go wrong with a basic plaid. I should have unraveled these before the video. I did not do my prep work before. Okay, so then we have this baby blue and white polka dot coming up next. If I can get it unraveled, let's see, I may just have to slide it off. There we go. Okay, so love this. It's got the, I think this is called micro dot or raised polka dots, but that's what this is called. It's like raised and it's textured. Very, very pretty. You cannot go wrong with a baby blue. Baby blue always makes things a little better. Okay, and then we've got more baby blue. This just reminded me of like sports. I don't know, I liked this baby blue and red combo together. It caught my eye, so I pulled it. And this is not all of our new arrivals. We got tons more in, but I just wanted to show y'all a little bit of what we have gotten in over the past week or two. So you got the baby blue and red. I love this combo together. Such a pretty blue. I think this is called cross hatch. So it's got the cross hatch detail on it with the red edging. So if you see any of these products that you like, you can shop them at tmigifts.com, or you can download our app. Our app is available on all the app stores, including Android and Apple. So make sure you download that. The app is very user-friendly. I've recently been looking on there to see how my listing looks or how the pictures look on there, and it is very, very user-friendly. Maddie and Tiffany kind of deal with it, and they've done an absolute fabulous job. So if you see any of these ribbons that you like and you want to shop them, you can shop them on there. And I think Tiffany has been putting the item number and how much it costs on there. So thank you guys for joining us, and we hope you shop with us.